All right, welcome to another episode of Outdoor Handicap. I haven't made a lot of videos over the past couple of years, but I've been busy fishing and hunting and doing the things that I enjoy. Now, as a father of a handicapped child, I have to modify some things once in a while when my son wants to go with me. So we have to do things a little bit different, which leads me to this episode: how I've turned my toy hauler into a handicap camper. Stay tuned and we'll get to it. All right, guys. This is the Sunset Rush 19. I bought this now almost 2 years ago. No, maybe a year ago, year and a half ago. Bought this, and I bought it with a purpose, because what I want you to get is, I'm not telling you that this is the best toy hauler, this is the best setup, this is not telling you that at all. What I'm telling you is I bought this because of several things. One, I needed to be able to get my son into the camper. His wheelchair is about 25 inches wide. Most camper doors are 24 inches. So I knew that I had to have a toy hauler. It was either to buy one already together or finish out and do a cargo conversion. Here's why I bought this one. First of all, it's light, 3,200 pounds, dry weight. I pretty much keep it dry. Getting ready to put this in the mountains in a seasonal campsite with a deck. It'll have everything I need. So first of all, I can get it there with my truck. I have a Ford F-150 V6, and it tows it like a dream, easy to tow. Second reason I bought it was because of this gate back here. I'm able to get my son in. Now, let me flip this around and let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so you understand, that serves as our handicap ramp. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, if you are a handicapped person and you're trying to navigate that by yourself, that's going to be rather tough. Now, here's the beauty, though. If you do this right and you lift this gate up, just say maybe 3-4 inches, you can go up 4 inches and then build a ramp, or get a 3-foot metal ramp that will connect into this part, and it flattens that gate out. And that's exactly what we'll do. We'll build a handicap ramp, maybe 3 feet, 4 feet, and it'll get him up to about right in here, and we can level this up a little more, make it easy to go up the ramp. Now, several things that we're getting ready to do is get a net that comes down, a screen that pulls down and connects here at the bottom, so that we can also have this tailgate open. Let me show you the modifications I made, and show you some of the ones that we're still going to make. Guys, there's the third reason why I bought this camper, and I wanted to take a break real quick and share with you the third reason. Third reason is it's wide open. It's open, and I needed it to be open so that if I want to put 3 people in here, I can get 3 people. All we do when we're camping is typically sleep in there, and that's the objective. So my objective was to have it open. Now let me tell you more about the camper. All right, this is the Rush 19, and don't mind me, I'm doing some work on it today, and there you see it. The fourth reason that I bought this camper, 19 feet, is it was one of the few campers, or a few toy haulers, that were this little that had double axles. That's the fourth major reason. Now, up top is pretty much just standard. I've got some Eternabond tape right there on the corners, and it's just a standard roof, guys. Nothing, I don't think there's a need to go up there. what I'm doing now, this is a 2022 version. As I mentioned, I love the double axles. All your connections are over here, your water connections, and then your sewer is right there. And you got your gray water and black water all runs in to the same, as well as the 4 jacks on the corner. All right, guys, here we are out the back, looking out the back. Let me show you what I've done to make this handicapper friendly. There you see right there, you can watch my video how I moved this shower. I have moved this shower. See shower heads down there, and I've been painting this little area. I framed in this area, took out the gas hot water heater, put electric hot water heater. There you can see a hole that is right there to my plug, and I can plug it in GFI right there, and the hot water heater gives me hot water. Now let me say this, I can take this off, unscrew it, and what this does is gives me full access to move that electric hot water heater. The problem with electric is you do have to drain it, and the drain is at the bottom. So what I do is just remove it, pull it out, and drain the hot water heater. Now, here's where the shower was. There I have my standard camper toilet. There is where the shower was. The shower was in there. The problem with that is we're back to a 24-inch door, and you guys can see how small that door is, and that presents a problem. Now, if you are handicapped, you're going to say, Heretic, there's still a problem. We can't get to that toilet. Now, the beauty is, and you can see I've painted down there, so I don't want to hit the door on that piece of wood. However, when you open this door up, you would have enough room to transfer. I'm going to put a curtain that goes all the way up and over, and that curtain will cover all this up. So, but I have moved my sink here and just put a standard curtain right there, and that top is one that I made, and then we've just painted that out with a metal backsplash. There's your shower, pretty standard. That is 24 by 36 shower, so we can put a his handicap seat here, and he can get in and take his shower right in there, and he can transfer from his chair here. Door, again, his chair barely scrapes through there right now, and then that gets us out. Let me tell you what I'm going to do with these. These are getting ready to come out and be sold. They're going to come out, and on this side, I'm going to make a Murphy bed that lays down and opens up with a shelf on top. And then I'll have a second Murphy bed on this wall that lays long ways, and we'll do that so that I can get an L-shaped. When someone's sleeping, we can leave the floor open, and if my son is here, then we can also do a fold-out bed, and we can sleep 3 in here comfortably with my wife being able to get to the restroom. You have the refrigerator, AC, and I have electric heat. I have electric heater that comes in. Only other question is, you may wonder, what are we going to do to the door? We're going to put a latches that allow the door to be opened from the inside. So you'll be able to open the door from the inside, or if it's locked on the inside, you wouldn't be able to get, nobody would be able to get in. So, all right, guys, this is our setup. This is how we do it. Not telling you it's the best way, but for me, I bought this toy hauler because I couldn't have bought a cargo trailer and converted it and got it within the price I got this for, and the changes I've been able to make. Ramp door is light, it's easy to get up. I'm gonna go close it up and finish up my work in here, get these couches off. Still a little work to do. This is headed to a seasonal site. We're gonna reseal the roof. We got the Turnabond tape up there, so everything's good. But we're gonna do that, and yeah, I could sleep 3 and it becomes handicap accessible. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you out there on the trail.